Everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you guys. This is Abhinav Jha, and I welcome all of you guys on this amazing platform of Unacademy JEE. So, guys, today, as I promised, we'll be doing this last lecture on relations and functions. That is going to be advanced problems on this particular topic. And from the next class onwards, we'll be starting, obviously, very important topic that is inverse trigonometric function. Hello, Hudi Singh. How are you? I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing. Okay, guys. So, obviously, without wasting any time, let's begin. And this is my introduction. All of you new students, this is Abhinav Jha, Tech NIT Nagpur, and I've got around 4 years of teaching experience now. Have mentored top ranks in JEE Mains Advanced, and also I hold a rank of All India 698 in GATE. Also, I have cracked JEE Mains and Advanced in 2012. Also, guys, you can pick up this Unacademy subscription very cheap from your Play Store. And guys, definitely, what are the benefits of taking this subscription? You're going to get some live amazing classes with the live interaction with the educator, live polls, leaderboard, test series, analysis, live doubt clearing sessions. Everything is going to be absolutely amazing. And guys, do not forget that you can get a chance to get the learning from the best of the country's faculty. Also, guys, you can simply install this amazing app from the Play Store. You have to simply go there and install the app from the Play Store by searching Unacademy's learning app. Then, guys, in that you can go in the Manage Goals section in the IDJE category. In that, you have to click on plus. As soon as you click on plus, then you can get the subscription by clicking on Get Subscription. As soon as you put up the Get Subscription button, here obviously, guys, you can feed in the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you can get these massive discounts on your plus subscription. Okay, so guys, 1 year plan would cost you around 34.6 and 2 year plan would cost you around 30.4 respectively. AJ Live is the code which you have to use in order to get these amazing discounts. Okay, also, if you are circumspect about it, you can try it for a month and then upgrade your plan to a year or two, depending upon your fine. Okay, guys, also here on this particular platform, you have to fill in the code of AJ Live. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, then you can proceed using my option. So, fine. This is the Telegram link, guys, which you can obviously be a part of, and you can get the updates of all my regular classes on this amazing Telegram channel. Guys, be regular and do not miss out on any other class. Hello, Lokesh. Good evening. Yes. Hi, Vivek. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Whoever has joined the session. Okay, yes, today, obviously. Okay. Abhinav SC is also the code, guys, which you can use. And do not forget, guys, an Academy Compact on 22nd of November is going to come, and there you can win lots of rewards and prizes. And guys, do not forget to use the code of AJ Live to enroll. Enroll right now, everyone, whoever is watching the session for the Unacademy Combat. Very important, very competitive, guys. It's amazing battle. You guys all going to enjoy. Also, as I told you, Google batch for droppers, JEE Mains in Advanced 2021 is obviously going to start on 20th of November. So please enroll for the Unacademy Plus. Know what code to use. AJ Live is the code which you have to use. And guys, you can learn from the most amazing teachers on the Plus platform. And this is the new batch which is starting. Also, guys, micro class for 11th JEE Main and Advanced, also amazing faculty, our very beloved, vibrant academy team there. Guys, definitely you can come up and enjoy these amazing faculty. And guys, you can also take your time in order to invest on this particular platform of Unacademy JEE English, where my revision series has begun. And guys, obviously, I'm going to take amazing classes on this platform. And guys, next, that is Saturday, the class is going to be on complex numbers. We're going to do some rapid review. And obviously, guys, we are going to each and every important problem, key important for your JEE Mains. Please do not forget to attend this amazing vision series. Also, my YouTube classes regularly will be coming at 5:30 p.m. That will be regular. which will go on. And guys, as I promised, I'm going to cover up all your syllabus for 31st of December. That is a promise which I have taken, and guys, definitely will be finishing up all the syllabus on this platform, A to Z, everything in detail. You will never get that any other place, guys. That's what I'm promising. Everything in detail, in-depth lectures you will get on this amazing platform of Academy J. I have taught guys day and day out each and every concept in. So guys, definitely this is the platform JEE English. You can follow the old lectures or the current lectures regularly. Please don't miss out. Also, guys, as I promised, my advanced series has also begun on the Unacademy's learning app, which is totally free of cost. This is of cost a class which you can get. Hoodie, are you coming over here or not? Have you downloaded the app or not? 7 p.m. I'm coming today and tomorrow also for complex numbers and sequences and series, guys. Advanced series it is, and guys, in this advanced quizzes will be there. It will be very, very important. So please be regular on this Unacademy's learning app as well. So be regular, and definitely, guys, you can enjoy these things. Also, as I told you guys, you can use the code of AJ Live to subscribe to Plus, and you can enjoy my courses. But very soon, my integral calculus course is starting 25th of November. And guys, definitely vectors and 3D inverse, everything will be done on this very, very platform of Unacademy Plus. Also, this course is running currently for graph sets, relations, and functions. So this is a very, very interesting topic which is going on right now, which will be finished, and then I'll be moving ahead with algebra and conic as well. Okay, so guys, chalo, without wasting any time, let's begin this amazing session on relations and functions, advanced problems, guys. We'll be solving a few amazing, amazing problems today. So let's look into the first problem on our day. So this is the question, guys, and so we have to check that whether this cubic is 1 1 onto everything. We have to check this kind of guys. Obviously, just recall everything. This kind of a revision session as well, है ना? You can say this is a revision session of relations and functions. You can say that. So guys, how to check 1 1? I have given you actually three methods, guys. You can use all the three methods. What were those three methods? I'll just revise it for you guys. First one was mathematical way. You can make f of x1 equals f of x2, and from there you should x1 equals x2. So, right. Second method was what, guys? Second method was from the graph. Okay, so that was horizontal line test. To draw the graph, and you can check the horizontal line test. You can draw a horizontal line. If it cuts once, that means it is 1 1. And third one was what? That was f dash of x should either greater than 0 or it should be less than 0. That means it's a monotonically increasing function, monotonic function, right? Yes, should be either completely increasing or decreasing. So guys, what thing can we choose out of these three in order to check the monotonicity, or you can say the injectivity of the function, right? Injection is nothing but 1 1, है ना? 1 1 is nothing but injection. Okay, so I'm just revising the concept. Okay. So guys, obviously if you equate f of x1 equals to f of x2, you have to solve the cubic. It will be a little bit lengthy, so I'm just taking this case out of context. And obviously, guys, drawing the graph will not be that difficult, right? We have to understand the peaks, how the peak is. Like some cubics can be like this. It will be obviously many one function. And some cubics can be like this. So this will be what? 1 1 function. It will depend on the peak, so you can differentiate and then you can get the other things. But agar differentiate we are doing, so why not? We can simply check this thing, right? This will be the best one. So I think so the best will be the third one, to check the monotonicity of the function. Okay. Yeah, I'm just taking a similar problem, RLN Kaushik. Next question is the same problem. You will understand how to do it. Okay. Don't worry. So guys, I'm just going to take the third way. That is obviously differentiating this amazing function. So let's check the differentiation of this function. So guys, my f of x will be nothing but x cube minus 3x square and plus 6, right? That's 5. So guys, if you just check the f dash of x, what is it coming? minus x plus 6. You just take the 3 common, what we get, we'll get x square minus. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So guys, you can complete the whole square, right? Can I say this is nothing but going to be x minus 1 the whole square plus 1? Yes, absolutely, yes. Isn't it? Array 2 you can break as 1 plus 1, na? So you will get what? X minus 1 whole square plus 1. So guys, this is actually 3 times of x minus 1 whole square plus 3. So whole square plus 3, can I say it will be always greater than 0? Yes. So guys, the thing is, this function over here is f dash of x is always greater than 0. It's an increasing function. It's an increasing function. So guys, the graph of the function would be like this. Obviously, we have analyzed that the graph will be an increasing function. If you draw the horizontal line, then it will only cut what? Once. That's it. It will only cut what? Just once. So that's the reason why, guys, f of x is 1, 1. Right? Now, how to check whether it is onto or not? Hello, Shivani. Good evening. Very good evening. Whoever has joined the session, guys, do not forget to give a thumbs up. This. So please like the video. That will be great help. Now, guys, let's check the onto part. How to check the onto part? This is a little bit tricky, which everyone does not understand the concept. Guys, if you just look at the function, just talk about f of x. That x cube minus what? X square plus 6x square plus 6 plus 6x minus 5. Right? That was a function. Now, what is the meaning of onto? What is an onto function? If your codomain equals your range. So I need to get the range of the function. That's it. I need to get the range of the cubic. Now, obviously, guys, the codomain is R. So if we get the range as R, then obviously it will be what? Onto. Kaise? How to get the codomain? How to get the range of this function? Now, guys, can I say that this function is continuous? Will it break any? Or it will it break? It's a cubic. It will never break. Never break. Never break. Never break. Yes. Also, guys, what is f of minus infinity? What is f of minus infinity, guys? What is f of minus infinity? You can see from the graph also. F of minus infinity is what? Minus infinity. When you put x as minus infinity, you'll get infinity minus infinity, right? And what about f of infinity? That will be infinity. So guys, it's a continuous function. First of all, it's a continuous function. That is important. Why it is important? I'll show you that. So guys, it's a continuous function. It is never breaking. And we are getting maximum value as infinity. Minimum values are minus infinity. So guys, obviously the range is coming as what? R. The range is R. No doubt about it. So range is equal to R, which is nothing but equal to what? Codomain. That's the reason why, guys, it is onto as well. The function is 1, 1 and onto. That's the correct answer. Great. Yes, Vivek, fantastic. The function is 1, 1 as well as onto. Now my thing was, why I told that this function is continuous. Why is that important? Now, why is that important? Why this is important? Let's suppose, guys, function is like this. Okay, going on and on and on. Let's suppose it is breaking here. One and so, guys, can you say if the function is going R to R number set? Can you say this is onto? No. You can say here that this is infinity comma minus infinity point. This is infinity comma infinity. That is correct. F max is tending to infinity and F min is tending to minus infinity, but in between it is breaking. So the range is actually what? Range is what, minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Are you getting my point? Which is not equal to R. Yes, very good, Lokesh, fantastic. So guys, very important point here. If the function breaks, so this will not be equal to the range. Yes. So it is very, very important that the function has to be continuous. Then only we can say that it's a cubic. Obviously, cubic functions are continuous. So then only it will be onto. That is very, very important. Chalo. Now let's look into the next question, guys. So this was the same question, I think. So RLN Kaushik asked. And RLN, same type of question you asked, I think. So you can obviously understand this one and you will obviously answer the. So guys, just try this one out. This is a very good question. So here we have a function f of x equals to x square plus 2x plus 5 upon x square plus x plus 1. We have to check whether this function is 1 1 into 1 1 onto many 1 onto many 1 into. We have to again see functions bijective. So how do we do that? It's a rational function, function by function. Obviously, have to understand the how we can actually get the uh, surjectivity very easily. Surjective means checking onto or into. So that is an easy thing over here because as I can see quadratic and quadratic. So guys, uh, so here what we will look into is you look at the f of x part. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah, sorry guys, there was a disconnection. Now I think so it's fine. Okay, yes, fine now. Some issue. So guys, if you look at this one, it is what x square plus 2x plus 1 4 plus 1 I wrote, right? And here I wrote x square plus half the whole square, right? X plus half the whole square. So what we need to do, we need to subtract 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 1. So can I say it will be plus 3 by 4, right? Plus 3 by 4, right, everyone? Can I say it's correct? Okay, great. Now guys, it's fine, I think so. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yes. So x square plus 2x. So what is it coming out? You can say here this is x plus 2 the whole square plus 1 divided by what? X plus half the whole square plus 3 by 4, right? Yes. Now guys, what the thing is, obviously this is positive, right? F of x is coming as positive because positive by positive. Good evening, Sindhuja. How are you after a long time? So guys, positive by positive will be what? Can I say f of x is always positive? Is always greater than 0. So obviously guys, range will not be equal to codomain. Range not equal to codomain because codomain is R. Implies it is obviously into function. Yes. I'm great. I'm great, Sindhuja. How are you? Okay. Now, if you look at this thing, so it is obviously an into function. Now, how to check whether it is a many one or one one? That is not that difficult again. So what we will say is that f of x is nothing but x square plus uh, 2x, right? Plus 5, right? X square plus 2x plus 5 upon x square plus x plus 1, right? You can write, okay, there was a mistake right here. S square plus x plus 1 the whole square, right? You can break it as x square plus 1 plus 4 you can write. Okay, again it is positive only, not an issue at all. Very good, Shivani, that's correct. So it's a whole square by whole square, right? So it will be always positive. So the range will not be equal to codomain. Okay, guys, whoever is missed out, please understand. Okay, the range will not be equal to codomain, so it's into function. Now, how to check the onto? So graph is difficult. F of x1 equals to f of x2 is difficult. So guys, just check, can the f dash of x be 0? If you just differentiate it, what are we getting? The denominator square x square plus x plus 1 whole square, and denominator x square plus x plus 1 into this will into what? Differentiation of that. What is that? 2x plus 2 minus, this one, numerator x square plus 2x plus 5 into differentiation of this one, that is 2x plus. So guys, equate it to 0. So obviously you will get one root, isn't it? So f dash of x will be 0. Isn't it, everyone? Will be 0. We will get a root. It will never be increasing. This equation will never be either greater than 0 or less than 0. That will not be possible. Not possible. These two cases not possible, right? Will it be possible that this function's differentiation will be throughout greater than 0 or less than 0? No. It will not be a monotonic function. It will be neither increasing nor decreasing. So what we will say? Neither increasing nor decreasing. So guys, it's not a 1-1 function. So we will say, understood, RL and Kaushik? So it's neither 1-1 nor it's neither increasing nor decreasing. So implies f of x is many 1. Okay, that's it. Hi Papi Reddy, you are very irregular nowadays. You come for 10 minutes and then you leave. So many 1 and into. Very good. Rani has obviously got the values as. Yes, we can see here with a 2x cube and 2x cube will cancel. We'll get a quadratic that will be solvable. Understood, guys? So it is many 1 and into. Chalo, next problem. Come on, guys. Guys, be regular. I'm telling you, please, because this is a very, very good phase which we are going ahead with. Next chapter will be inverse trigonometric function, and that will be the toughest chapter in JEE. If you look at JEE, this is the most toughest chapter. If you don't understand inverse and everything, then it will be difficult. So be then watch. Are you watching the recorded sessions? Okay, chalo. That's what I'm saying now, RL Kaushik. F dash of x is not greater than 0. Not greater than 0. So if it would have been greater than 0 throughout, then we would have got 1-1. It is not, so that's why many 1. That's why I wrote many 1. Na? It's not possible, I'm saying. So that's why it will be 0. That's the reason why it will be many 1. Understood? If it is increasing, then it's 1-1. If it is not, then it is many 1. Come on. Very famous question. 2x plus sine x. Sure. Okay, Papi Reddy. Everyone watching, guys, please like the video. That'll be an amazing help for our team who are working out day in day out for you guys. Okay, amazing problem once again. So this is again, guys, so how to check? See guys, it's a very easy way to check the differentiation. Okay, so few guys are saying neither 1-1 nor onto. Okay, let's see guys, come on, let's see. F of x is what? 2x plus sine x. So guys, best way to check is f dash. So guys, let's differentiate this amazing function. So let's differentiate. What is that f dash of x? How much it is getting? 2x differentiation 2 plus cos x. Guys, come on, man. You can see easily. Cos x always between what? -1 to 1. Plus 2. Can I say it will be always greater than 0? Yes. In fact, it will be always more than 1. Because its minimum value, if you take -1 also, this will be there. So guys, f dash of x is greater than 0 throughout for all x belonging to the domain of the function. So it is increasing. The function is increasing. The function is increasing. Implies it is 1, 1. No doubt about it. Function is 1, 1. Isn't it, guys? Yes. Now, on to how do you check? On to how do you check? Remember my procedure. Remember my procedure. Remember my procedure. Guys, f of x is what? X, 2x plus sine x. So what was that? Is it continuous? Absolutely. Can you tell me any point where it is not defined? Can you tell me any point in the domain when you put it, it will be not defined? No. The continuous function, it will never break. So this is a continuous function first of all. So tick mark. Right? Also, what is f of infinity? When you put x as infinity, what will be that? Is 2 times of infinity plus sine infinity. The sine infinity does not matter. It will be between -1 and 1. Whatever it is. But this will be infinity now, so this will tend to infinity. F of infinity is going towards infinity. And what about f of minus infinity? What is f of minus infinity? 2 into minus infinity plus sine of minus infinity. So we don't care about the sine of minus infinity. That will be between -1 and 1. We don't care about that. But this number is huge. Are you getting everyone? Shivani, RL and Kaushik, everyone, Vivek. This is what? That's sine of minus infinity. This is tending towards minus infinity, na? Everyone, are you getting it? Vivek? Yes. Understood? So f of infinity is infinity, f of minus infinity is minus infinity. The function is continuous. Guys, the range is R. The range of the function is R. Isn't it, everyone? F max is infinity, f min is minus infinity. It's not breaking. Range is R. Range is all real numbers. It was a very good question. That's why today we are doing advanced questions, guys. Range is equal to codomain. That's what we got, right? Range equals to codomain. That is R. So it will be onto as well. Implies it's onto. Correct? Chalo, next. So it is 1, 1 and onto. Next one. Okay, this is again a fabulous question. Let's see how many of you can do this one. Try it out. So 2x cubed plus 2x square plus 300x plus 5 sine x. Now this is the function in front of us. Okay, try it out, everyone. Yeah, it might be a little bit zigzag. Yeah, that's possible, but it can't come down much. Vivek, if it is like it can't be like this. Otherwise, it will become anyone, na? So that's why I've made a smooth thing. It will be very, very normal zigzag. Very small zigzag versions will be there. That is not that important, because if it is zigzag like this, huge troughs and they are there, so it will become many one. But it's not. It's one. You have to take care of that as well. It's what is the weightage? Huge weightage. You cannot judge actually in mains, obviously, guys, because this chapter is mixed with many chapters. This relations and functions is actually mixed with many chapters. It can be mixed with your calculus, it can be mixed with your algebra. Yeah? Can be used anywhere. Yes, we can see on Desmos. Yes, you can see. Okay, hello guys, let's see. This is the function over here, so I am just differentiating it. Okay, so what is my f dash of x coming out? Can I say it will be 6x squared plus 4x plus 100 plus 5 cos x. So guys, now this is a quadratic plus trigonometry, right? Quadratic plus trigonometry, right? So this is a problem. This can be plus or minus. Quadratic we can see. So let's make this part positive. Okay. So what I'm doing is, see here. First of all, what I'm doing is I'm giving him 6. So guys, see, I'm playing it smart. I want to make it positive, right? So what I'm doing is I'm taking it 6x square. Very good, RL and Kaushik. And obviously great. So 4x plus, I am writing what, I'm doing it 294. 294 plus 6 plus 5 cos. Now why I did this? There's a reason. Why I did this? Because can I say this is a positive thing? Vivek, try. So guys, that's the hint. Can I say 6 plus 5 cos x will always be greater than 0? Yes. Because its least value will be what? -1. I gave it a 6, a number which is bigger than this. 6 plus 5x will be always greater than 0. So I just have to check this part. That's easy. How can we do that? Let's see. So what I'm doing is I'm doing f dash of x. I'm taking the 3 common. So if I take the 3 common, we are getting what? 2x square plus, sorry, if you take 2 common, sorry, my mistake, 2 common, what are we getting, guys? Take the 2 common, you'll be getting 3x square plus 3x square plus what? X plus 147, right? Plus 6 plus 5 cos x. Are you getting why I did 6 plus 5 cos x away? Everyone understood why I did that? 6 plus 5 cos x, I have taken it away. There's a reason, because this is positive quantity. Now, can you prove this positive? I think this is, right? If you can calculate its discriminant actually, will that be there possible? What are we getting, guys? Yes. You can easily do that now. I think so. 2 times of this will be what? Can get the whole square done, right? Will be actually this will be obviously positive only, because here this is obviously, guys, if you look at the discriminant of this, better. Why to do all that? No need to complete the whole square, guys. This is a upward facing parabola, right? And discriminant will be less than 0, obviously. B square minus 4ac, right? B square minus 4ac, so less than 0. So that's an upward facing parabola with no roots. This is positive. So positive plus positive, overall function is positive. We got f dash of x is positive. Understood what I did? Yes. A greater than 0 and d less than 0. Very good, Jeremy. That's the upward facing parabola with no real roots. So that's why this will be, whole thing will be positive, implies fx is 1 1. Right, everyone? Clear? That's it. So 1 1 was very easy to check. Now what about onto? How do you check onto? Now you know very well. Continuous function, obviously. Continuous plus continuous is continuous function. So the overall function is continuous. Right? So continuous plus continuous, it's continuous. Definitely, Hoodie, you can ask a doubt. So continuous plus continuous is continuous. And f of infinity is what? Tending to infinity, because if you put x as infinity, that will be infinity. F of minus infinity is tending to minus infinity. So range is nothing but equal to r, which is equal to, guys, that's the reason why it is onto as well. 1 1 and onto. Okay. Great, Kaushik. Understood, guys? Chalo. Next. Okay, this is also one amazing problem. So let's see how many of you can do this one. So a set of S of all triangles and R plus be the set of all positive real numbers. Okay, na? R plus means positive real numbers, and set of all triangles is what? S. Okay? So your domain is S and codomain is R plus. Very unique problem. How many rectangle in a chessboard? 9C2, 9C. Chessboard you have 9 parallel lines. 9 lines are there, right? 9. You have to choose 2 out of this and 9 out of 9C2 into 9C2 rectangle. Come on. Very good question once again. Let S be the set of triangles, R plus be the set of, because then the function S to R plus, where f function is f of delta. There you have to put in the triangle and that will give you area of the triangle. You have to fill in all the triangles, so the area should be a function. Very good question one. How do you get it? Would you understood? Doubt is clear. So guys, isn't it an amazing question? One more question was very good. I had actually given you the homework, I think. It was on matrices and determinants. I think so. Jeremy is absolutely correct. So matrices and determinant mixed with one and on two. So that question was amazing. We had done that in the class, I think. Now let's look into this one. So guys, you can see that R plus means what? All real numbers. Okay. So guys, can we have, whether it will be many one or one, let's see guys. Can we have two triangles, let's suppose triangle 1 and triangle 2 having same area? Tell me. We have many areas, right? A1, A2, infinite areas for that matter. Infinity, finite areas, right? Can we have two triangles having same area? Why not? Why not? Two triangles can have same area, na? Yes or no? Two triangles can have same area. So implies what? It's many one. Right or not? Are two triangles can have same area or not? Yes, obviously. Why not? Isn't it? Yes. So guys, it's a one function, many one functions for sure. Everyone understood or not? Yes. So two triangles can have the same area. So that's the reason why it is a many one function. Okay, so it is what? Not injective. Injective means obviously one. Now let's check the onto part. Hi Saran, good evening. Everyone understood or not? RLN Kaushik, Vivek, Lokesh, Shivani, is this part clear? Okay, no issues, Vivek. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, amazing. Now, happy chat to all of you guys. Okay, now, now the thing is, how to check the onto part. Now let's see. That's the amazing thing. So guys, can, let's suppose we have infinite number of areas, right? How many? A1, infinite areas. What is the meaning of onto? What is the meaning of onto? What is the meaning of onto? Onto means that every area should have a triangle corresponding it, isn't it? Think about it. Onto means what? Codomain equals range, right? Codomain equals range. That means we need to map every area with a triangle. Let's suppose if I given you one area, okay, one area like 6.238. Can you have a triangle corresponding this? Why not? Why not? Can we have an area corresponding this area? A triangle corresponding to this area? Yes. Yes. Isn't it? I will have an area of a triangle whose length is what? Whose this base is 6.28238 and height is 2. Okay, this is an this will give you one. Iska area how much it will be? Half into base into height. 0.238. We will get it. So we will get infinite areas are there corresponding to each and every area. We will have definitely a triangle, no doubt about it. Every area will have a triangle, so every area will be mapped. Every value in this set of r plus, this is an r plus set, real positive, right? Second set is what? R positive. Obviously area can't be negative. Every area will have a triangle corresponding it. Did everyone get it or not? Everyone understood? Every triangle we can construct of a particular area. If you tell me any area, can you have a triangle corresponding to it? Yes, we can. Understood? So that's the reason why it is onto. Onto means what? Projection. Projection. Okay. Yes, tomorrow the class will be there. Yes, I'll take the class. Okay. So guys, it is what? It is surjective but not injective. But not injective. It's many one. Many one means what? Many one means what? Many one means what? Not injective. Clear? Understood everyone? Next. Hello guys, try this one out. Next question now. The domain. You have to draw the graph, RL and Kaushik. Obviously, you have to draw the graph. It will be at, you have to check the function at 4 and -1. That sharp point, that point it will break. Okay? Maximum will be depending upon that. Okay? You can draw the graph. You can make cases also. One is x greater than 4, one is x between and -1, and one is x is less than -1. Cases. Critical points you have to draw. Come on guys, get me this one quickly. Chhat Puja is celebrated in West Eastern UP and Bihar. Obviously, celebrate and with sun. Hello guys, quickly come on everyone. It's such an easy question. Now you can do just option verification. See guys. Yes, correct. Jeremy ready. Correct. See guys, can we put x as 1? So guys, first of all, you should understand that whenever somebody is writing log base, so there are three conditions. First, second, a should be third. Here only you can write down a should not be 1. Base can't be 1. Can base be 1 of log? No. Obviously guys, this is wrong. Why? Because you can't put x as 1 now, because base will become 0. Base can't be 0 at x. This is saying we can take 1. Wrong. Now this is saying we can take 2. No, how can we take 2? Because when you take x as 2, you will get 2 mod of 2 is 2 minus 1. Base will become 1, which is wrong. Base can't be 1. So this option is also wrong. Third is saying minus infinity to infinity. Obviously it's wrong. You can easily check by options. Within seconds you can solve these questions. Understood? You don't have to go by a lengthy procedure as well. Clear? So guys, simply kya karna hai, what we have to do? We have to check the options. So this is saying 2, we cannot put 2 because at x equals to 2, base will become 1. Okay? So that's why base can never be 1 of any particular log. Okay? And I have done all those derivations, guys, that you can understand. Everyone watching, guys, please hit a like. That will be very encouraging for our team. Working hard day in, day out for you guys. Okay, next. If the domain of f of x is 0 to 1, then the domain of f of ex and f of log mod x. Quick, let's see how many of you can get this one. Again, a wonderful question. Oh, fantastic, Vivek. RLN, is this for this answer? The question is for this answer? The answer is for this one or the last one? That's great. That's the correct answer. See, guys, very, very basic question. It very basic question. See, guys, what they're saying is f of x domain is this. Okay, so f of x will be defined when your x is between. Okay, okay, very good, Jay Rami, correct answer. So, guys, f of x is between 0 to 1, right? Then the domain of this function. Okay, so guys, f of x is defined when this x is between 0 to 1. So f of e power x will be defined when your e power x is between 0 to 1. Understood? Everyone clear this concept, this logic? F of x is defined when x is between 0 and 1. So f of e power x, f of something, will be defined when that something is between 0 to 1. That means, guys, for f of e power x to be defined, your e power x should be between 0 and 1. Okay? So guys, what about your x? So x should be what, guys? When your e power x is between 0 and 1, so x should be what? Tell me. E power x graph is like this, right? It is between 0 and 1. So between 0 and 1, your x should be what? Here. Right? So this is the region your x should be. Your x should be between 0 to minus infinity. Understood? Got it? So this is the first case. Your x should be, for e power x, f of e power x to be defined, x should be between 0 and minus infinity. Hai na? Okay. Now, for f of ln mod x to be defined, your ln mod x. Are you getting the point, everyone? Watching, please ask any doubt is there. So that this will be defined when your ln mod x is between 0 and 1. So you can see here the base is e, right? You can say that, you can say log base e mod x should be between 0 and 1. That will go that side. So mod x will be between e and e power 0, right? E power 1 and e power 0. I took that like that. Okay. So this will be what? E power 1 and e power 0, right? Are yes or no? If log mn is k, so we can say na n is equals to m power k. Go that side. So we will get this thing. So mod x is between e and 1. So mod x is between e and 1. So what about x? X will be what? Tell me, guys. Anyone, any idea? Mod x is between e and 1. So x should be what? X should be either what? X should be either between E and 1 or X should be between minus 1 and minus E. Understood? Yes. No, mod X is between E and 1. When can mod of something be between 1 and E? When the number is between 1 and E, or the number is between minus 1 and minus E, right? Very good. Because minus E is lesser. This is minus 2.717. E value is 2.717. I hope everyone agrees. So guys, there are two cases. We have to take the intersection of both. Right? Both have to be defined, right? So दोनों का intersection of both. So first case, it's like I told you that mother and child. Okay, so the mother has made two demands. So one guy is saying, so we have minus E minus 1, 1E. So first child is saying I want to be less than 0. Second child is saying what? I am either between this or between this. So what is the common region? The common region will be, okay, the common region will be, guys, the shaded region. Guys, your X should belong to what? Minus E to minus 1. That will be the common region for both. Got it, everyone? Understood? Shivani, Jairami, clear? RLN Kaushik, everyone watching, got it? Amazing. Chalo, next. This is a how many one. If that's that, some people didn't understand this. Array, let's mod X is, so what will be your X? Tell me. Somebody says mod X is between 1 and 2. So what is X? Either X can be greater than 0 or less than 0, right? If X is greater than 0, what will happen? You will get X is less. And when your X is less than 0, you will get what? You get minus X, right? Mod X, this 1. Your X will be between minus 1 and minus 2. So two answers you will get. Understood? From this, you get two answers. Clear, everyone? Now this one, try. X upon sine log X minus cos log X. The domain of this. Come on, guys. Fantastic question. Domain of this function. X upon under sine log X minus. Simple one. Come on, yaar. Quick. Sine log X minus cos log X. So what will you say? When will be this defined? This has to be simply greater than 0, na? Under root inside part should be more than 0. That's it. So we will say that simply sine log X minus cos log X should be greater than 0. Okay, so friend, Goody, your answer is absolutely correct. Jairami, ready? Check it once. Okay. So guys, what will happen? Can I say that sine log X be greater than cos log X? Na? Acha. So let at this point of time just leave this log X kind. Just take it as some theta. Matlab, we have something like sine theta greater than cos theta. When is sine theta greater than cos theta? When is sine theta greater than cos theta? Any idea? Graph. Graph. Let's see the graph. Is important thing. So guys, if you draw the graph of sine theta, everyone should know that from my student. In a sine theta graph, this cos theta. Right? So guys, if you look at this one over here, 0, pi by 4, what? Pi by 2, this pi, they again intersect at 5 pi by 4. Third quadrant में वापस से they intersect, right? Yes. Now this is 3 pi by 2, right? This is, let's see. So guys, we want yellow curve to be greater than green curve. When is yellow curve more than green? बताओ. When is yellow curve more than green? जल्दी बताओ. Tell me. In 0 to 2 pi. When is yellow curve? When is yellow more than green? Sine greater than cos. When x is between what? When x is between pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Na? Yes. Understood? Yellow is more than green when x is between pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. So that's the reason why, guys, here you should say that your theta should be between 5 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 5 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, right? Did everyone get the point or not? Everyone understood? Yes. Now we will add 2n pi to it. Why 2n pi is added? Because that will keep on repeating again and again and again, right? Isn't it, everyone? Everyone watching, did you get it? So we will add 2n pi. 2n pi. Because this will keep on repeating. What was your theta? What was your theta log x? Come on, guys, everyone tell me. So log x should be between 2n pi plus 5 pi by 4. So 2 pi. I just, yeah, correct. Got it, everyone? Shivani, RLN Kaushik, everyone, Hoodie, Kalkari Jayamari Reddy, everyone, great. Now, guys, simple. You take that e that side, what we will get? We will get x is between what? You just take that e that side. So e power 2n pi plus 5 pi by 4 power 2. Got it? Everyone? Yes, Hoodie, ask your question. Anyone, any doubt, please tell me. Got it, everyone? This is how we do it. It's amazing questions, right? So this is the answer. Option B is correct. Got it? Clear? Everyone watching understood? Please ask me if any doubt is there. What I did, I see, guys, I just drew the graph. When is sine greater than cos? Sine is greater than cos when your x is between 5 pi by 4 to pi by 4. Then we add 2 and pi, because after every 2 and pi intervals it will repeat. Na? So what was your theta here? Log x. So that's theta is log x. So log x should be between that. So e will go that side, which we did in the last question. Hello, guys. Let's see how many of you have to find the range. Go on. Pi x plus minus 4. The range of the function. Very good, Shivani. Fantastic. Okay, great, Jairami. This is also a very good question, guys. First, if you look at the domain of this function, ठीक है ना? Domain देखोगे आप, so you will say what? The root, inside the root, it will never be negative, right? Can this be negative? No. This x plus 7 has to be greater than 0. We'll say that x is greater than minus 7, right? Or, and what we will say, that x should not be 9, right? So that's the domain actually. What's the domain? X is greater than 7. So you can say that the domain of f is equal to minus 7 to infinity except 9, right? Because 9 will make the denominator 0. That is obviously done. So guys, I'm just doing what? I'm just rationalizing the function for the time being. What happen is, if I just rationalize this thing of x plus 7 plus 4, apply plus 4 divided by root, right? This is what I've done. I've rationalized it. A plus b into a minus b. We what? A square minus b square. How much am I getting? X plus 7 minus 16, right? Divided by x minus 9 in root of x plus 7 plus 4. Okay. So guys, what will happen? Can I say that f of x will be pi times of x minus 9? X minus 9 will cancel because x can't be 9. So guys, we got a very interesting thing here. We got x plus 4, x plus 7 plus 4, right? X plus 7 plus 4, x plus 7 plus 4, right? So x minus 9 cancel. Hamara, we've got our f of x as root of x plus 7 plus 9. Got it, everyone? Yes. So this is my f of x. Now everyone, now this is easy to understand, right? Yes. So guys, if you look at this, what will be f max? When the denominator is min, denominator minimum, root minimum will be what? 0 now when x is minus 7. F max will be when x is minus 7. Okay, so what will happen over there? So what will happen, guys? F max will be equal to, you will get pi by 4 now. Then this will be 0. Yes. Acha, what about f min? When denominator is maximum, what can be the denominator maximum value? Infinity. Infinity. So it will be what, guys? Pi by infinity, which will tend to 0, will not be exactly 0. So guys, I got my range of the function, isn't it? So guys, my range of the function has come out to be pi by 4 to 0, open, right? Open at 0, because it can't be 0, right? Yes. But I'm missing a trick here. What is the trick? X can't be 9. That's the trick. X can't be 9. So guys, if x can't be 9, your f of x can't be what? As I told you, x can't be 9 over here, right? Because it will become, denominator will be not defined. So guys, f of x can't be what? F of x can't be pi upon under root. I'm putting 9 over here. What are we getting? 16. 4 plus 4, x can't be pi by. So guys, we have to remove that pi by 8 from here. That's the thing here. That's the logic. That's the trick. Okay. So pi by 8 we can't keep. See my point? We'll subtract pi by. I've removed pi by 8. So guys, ultimately they are asking sine, है ना? They're asking what? Sine 2 times of f of x. Sine 2 times of f of x. So sine 2 times of f of x. So guys, maximum value will be what? Sine max you're taking, right? So 2 times of pi by 4, what are we getting? 1. F min will be what? Sine 2 times of 0 is 0. And f can't be what? So this is what? Sine 2 times of f. Sine 2 times of f. Sine 2 times of f. So f sine can't be what? This can't be what? Sine 2 times of pi by 8. It cannot be. What is that? Sine pi by 4. 1 by root 2. It can't be. It can't be 1 by root 2. Understood? Because x can't be pi by 8. Understood? So that's the reason why we will remove that 1 by root 2. That's the answer, everyone. 0 to 1, 1 take close, but we cannot have 1 by root 2 because if you keep 1 by root 2, it will not define. Understood? Chalo, we'll take one more and then we'll wrap up the session, guys. This is the last question today. The hoodie probability of getting the head is, or getting the 1 is what? 1 by 6. Probability of not getting a 1, 5 by 6. So what we should get in even number of trials, right? Okay, so we will get 1 by 6. So we want even number, right? So 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6 into 1 by 6 and so on. So it will be a infinite GP which we have to solve. Come on guys, quickly get this one. Last question for the day. Then we'll wrap up the session. It's a more than 1. Correct. More than 1, correct. Come on. You have to work hard. If you work hard, ultimately get it thing. So guys, what is it? Tell me. Fractional part, remember this formula I gave you. Fractional part of x plus integer is fractional part of x. Box of x plus integer is box of x plus that integer. Remember everyone, these two formulas are very, very important. Fractional part of x plus integer is fractional part of x. Box of x plus integer is box of x plus integer. I have already proved it in my previous lectures. You can watch it on this platform. Everything has been done. Okay. So guys, if you look at this one over here, fractional part of x plus 1 will be nothing but fractional part of x only, right? Because 1 does not have any fraction. What we are trying to calculate, fractional part of something. 1 may, there is no fraction. That's why there will be fraction part of x only. Plus 2 times of x. X I am writing as box of x plus fractional part of x. Already told you time and again, this is what we do. Break it into box x and fractional part. Now, for this I will write as box of x plus 1, right? Using this formula. Minus 6. Now when I open this up, what are we getting? We will be getting fractional part of x plus 2 times of box x plus 2 times of fractional part, right? Is equals to 4 box x plus 4 minus 6 is equals to what? Is equals to what? 4 box x plus 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. Very good, Shivani. Now Now guys, this will come this side. What are we getting? 3 fractional part of x is equals to 2 box x minus 2, right? 2 box x minus 2. Yes. So guys, what are we getting here? Can I say I got my fractional part? Can I say I got my fractional part? That is what? 2 box x minus 2 by 3. Okay. Now, 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 now guys, this is very important step. Very important step. Can fractional part of x, what's the range of fractional part of x? It's always between 0 and 1. Hai na? And this is an integer. This is an integer. Everyone is saying C and A. Okay, let's see. So guys, can box, so we'll take cases by cases. First case, can box x be 0? If your box x is 0, guys, fractional part of x will become minus 2 by 3. Can it be possible? Wrong. Box x can't be 0. Box x can't be 0. Next. Second, can I take box x as 1? What will happen? My fractional part of x will be what? 2 minus 2, 0. That is fine. Fractional part of x can be 0. So your x will be what? Box x plus fractional part. Can I say that will be 1 plus 0, which will be 1? Hello? So first x we got first x. That is 1. That is correct. So first option is correct. Next. Take the next integer. Can box x be 2? Let's see. Fractional part of x will be what? 2 into 2 minus 2 by 3. 4, that is 2 by 3, which is fine. Perfect. Fine. 2 by 3 is fine. Fractional part of x can be 2 by 3. Correct. So what we will get, guys? We will get x is equals to what? Box x plus fractional part. So this plus this, what are we getting? 2 plus 2 by 3. 8 by 3. Correct. 8 by 3 is the correct answer. Now let's take one more. Try the next one. Can box x be 3? Let's see. So fractional part of x will be what? 2 into 3 minus 2 by 3. We got 4 by 3, which is wrong, not possible. Understood, everyone? Can it be fractional part be more than 1? No. So that's it. Only two answers, 1 and 8 by 3. A and B are correct, not C. X can't be 0. Check it in the options. X can't be 0. Check it. You can do option checking as well. So guys, that's it. Two answers, 1 and 8 by 3. That's the correct answer. Okay guys. Chalo, I hope you enjoyed today's session, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. And guys, try this one out. This is a homework question for you guys. Okay, this is a homework. Please do comment on this video. I'll be waiting for your answers. I will be obviously, guys, solving all your queries and doubts on. Okay, you can comment all your doubts on this video and all the videos I upload. This, so guys, we have to check this function is invertible. So this function. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And guys, I'll be meeting you soon. Please do not forget to install this amazing app from the Play Store. And guys, please install it. And then guys, after that, you can go to the ITJ section in the plus category. You can go and click on get subscription. Okay, AJ Live is the code which you can use in order to the plus subscription. Fine. Also guys, AJ Live is the code here. As soon as you put up the code of AJ Live, you will get these massive discounts of 50.4 and 34.6 respectively for 1 year and 2 years syllabus. Fine. And definitely guys, you can obviously take this plan and attend all the amazing lectures on this very platform. Here you have to go and fill in the code of AJ Live. As soon as you do the code of AJ Live, you'll be getting these massive discounts on this very. Okay guys, here you have to fill in the code of AJ Live, then you can proceed to pay. Fine. Also, guys, Abhinav ST is my code. You can use this. And guys, not forget to join the Unacademy Combat Battle using the code of AJ Live. That will be very beneficial for all of you. Google batch and micro batch is starting, as I told you, for JEE Mains and Advanced from today. So, guys, when you take the plus, you will be getting unlimited access of amazing faculties. So, definitely, guys, plus is the way to go forward. And I've already, guys, started my amazing revision series for January 2021 theory and practice. Definitely, guys, you can join this on every week Saturday. Also, guys, YouTube classes are coming up at 5:30 Monday to Saturday. Don't miss out on these amazing series. Everything is done in detail, and guys, I'm going to finish up the course on 31st of December. Guys, be regular. Don't miss out on it. Also, today you can catch me in 10 minutes for complex numbers quiz advanced level. Then, guys, sequence series will be done tomorrow. Also, two batches are running. One integral calculus I'll be starting on 25th, and this graph sets, relations, and functions on the Plus platform. Guys, don't miss out. Amazing faculties like Rahul sir and Rohit sir are also teaching. Guys, quickly come on to this platform and join our batch. Okay, do not forget to like and share and subscribe this amazing video with your friends and get them all on board over here so that they can also amazing cause of quality education. Fine. AJ Live is the code, guys. Do not forget to use the code for subscribing to Unacademy. Okay, guys. Chalo. Thanks a lot, everyone. Do not forget to come tomorrow, same time, 5:30, for one amazing session. Okay. On obviously circles, we will be taking a very good session on circles. That will be advanced questions on circles. Okay. Yes, definitely, Hoodie.